Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can boost the volume of your project with InVideo. So this is the video editor web based version. Don't forget to sign in with your account. If you don't have one, you can sign up your account with your Google account. And here, in order to upload your project, you simply click upload media, drop your image and videos here, and then drag and drop your video on this canvas. And here you can click the video and you can find volume at the top of your project, and this is how you can increase the volume, how you can boost your volume. You can click advanced option. Here you can boost up to 200% of 15 decibel here, and this is there is an effect here, fade in, fade out, and pan control here. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and circle thanks button below. See you in the next video.